Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can manually start and test the RainBird sprinkler system. So here you got the menu button. So what you want to do is press on menu, and then you can see it's a O, so start flashing O. So what you want to do is press on the plus button, and this will go to station number 1, as you can see right here. Station number 1. So if you continue to press on the plus button, you go to station number 2 and so on. So let's say we want to test out station number 1, so we select 1 and then you press on the next button, and here you can choose the time. So ask you how many minutes do you want to run it for. So we're going to choose, just say we're going to run it for just 1 minute. So I'm going to press on the add button to add in 1 minute and then tap on next. And here you can see the sprinkler will start to run for 1 minute. After 1 minute it should stop. Okay, so that is how you can manually start or test the sprinkler system for the RainBird. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos. If you want to stop it, you can simply just press on the off button and that will stop, and then just press on the menu to have it back to auto. So press on the auto button to set it back to auto. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.